Today I received the Dreame X40 Pro robot vacuum cleaner, which has made several upgrades based on the previous flagship X13 series, especially in terms of cleaning narrow gaps and corners, introducing a dual-arm sweeping and mopping solution. Upon unboxing, you can see that it comes with a multifunction cleaning brush and a replacement hair cutting roller brush, and an integrated rubber brush roller. It also includes a water pipe, cleaning cloth, clothes holder, and a disposable dust bag already installed in the base. No additional accessories are required, and you can use it directly. The dustbin is located under the front covered main unit and can be easily removed. The HEPA filter installed on the dustbin can be easily disassembled and washed for reuse. However, to maintain the efficiency cleaning of the machine, it's recommended to replace it regularly. The highlight of this mode is the extendable side brush and the extendable mop. The appearance of the side brush has been upgraded and installed on the mechanical arm, which effectively expands the cleaning range and enables cleaning in corners and edges. The mop components of both sides have slightly different installation structures on the robot vacuum cleaner. One side supports outward expansion cleaning and the mop can be lifted. The main brush and the side brush are also adjustable to prevent secondary pollution during mopping. The main brush has two options that can be replaced according to cleaning needs. If you have pets at home, pairing it with the hair cutting roller brush would be a good choice. That concludes the unboxing video for this mode. If you want to learn more about robot vacuum cleaner and its accessories, remember to like and bookmark our page. Thank you for your watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.